A self-cleaning toilet seems like a dream come true, but how do they work? As the name implies, this fixture uses different cleaning cycles to keep itself spotless and disinfected. While there are different models and variations of features, there are basic commonalities between them. With the push of a button, a cleaning solution is dispensed across the specially designed, non-porous glaze-finished bowl. Together, these features work to repel buildup of grime. Some models include light cleaning and deep cleaning options. Along with the cleaning solution and bowl design, self-cleaning toilets use directed water pressure to keep the toilet bowl looking fresh. You might ask if there are downsides to a self-cleaning toilet. Well, yes and no. Despite the self-cleaning feature, a conventional cleaning is still necessary from time to time. Plus, you'll need to keep fresh batteries in place to power the cleaning fluid dispenser. And the fluid reservoir needs to be refilled on a regular basis. Installation is similar to ordinary toilets, but assembly and setup can be tricky for the inexperienced. If you find yourself in over your head, your local Roto-Rooter plumber will erase all worries with a professional installation. Now that you understand self-cleaning toilets, what's holding you back?